In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict access to a Lovable app. We'll walk through the exact screens you need to visit and the options that control who can see your project. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. When the results appear, choose the official Lovable site. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate domain and the page looks familiar to you before moving on. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. Use your usual authentication method and complete any prompts you normally see. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Lovable home screen. Here, look for the section labeled Projects. Depending on your layout, this might appear in a sidebar or near the top of the page. On the Projects view, you'll either see a list of your recent projects or a grid showing all your applications. If you have many projects, use the search or filters to quickly locate the one you want to update. When you find the correct project card, move to the corner of that card and click the three dots to open its context menu. From that menu, select Open in New Tab. Opening a new tab keeps your main dashboard handy so you can quickly switch back if you need to reference another project. In the new tab, click the project name to open its detailed view. Inside the project, look for Settings. This is commonly represented by a gear icon or a settings label. Click it to access the controls that govern how your project is shared. Within Settings, navigate to the Project Visibility section. This is where you decide who can access the project's code and resources. You'll see three options. Workspace means only you and any team members you've explicitly invited to the workspace can see the code. This is a solid choice for collaborative development where you want teammates involved but don't want broader exposure. Restricted limits visibility to you, the owner. Choose this if you're working on something sensitive or not yet ready to share with anyone else. Public makes the project viewable to anyone with the link, and it allows others to remix your code. This is helpful for open examples, tutorials, or community contributions. But remember, it's discoverable to anyone you share the link with. After selecting the option that matches your needs, take a moment to review the choice before you continue working. That's all it takes to restrict access to your Lovable app and keep control over who can see your work.